Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best eyebrow trimmer. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Remington Eyebrow Trimmer. It's called Virtually Indestructible, and I believe it's tough. This trimmer is bright yellow, and it looks like it can do the job well. When you hold the comfortable dual-sided blade, you'll likely agree. What makes it different from others is its washout system. This means the blades open up to clean from the inside out. That makes it cleaner and safer to use. Also, it's completely waterproof. This trimmer is built to be really strong, so it won't easily break. Its yellow color makes it easy to spot, and it seems like it will work well. When you hold the blade, you'll probably think it's comfortable too. What sets it apart is its cleaning system. The blades can be opened to clean the inside, which keeps it clean and safe to use. And it can be used underwater since it's 100% waterproof. Number 7 in my list is Philips Norelco Eyebrow Trimmer. Don't be misled by the name. It's not only for noses. In reality, it's excellent for shaping your eyebrows. The dual-sided steel blades trim hair without causing any pain, which is the opposite of what tweezers do. That's impressive, but the reason I adore is because of its unique protective guard system. This guard shields your sensitive skin by creating a barrier between your skin and the blades. Philips is known for consistently producing top-notch products. As you might expect, this trimmer is powerful. But what reviewers really appreciate is how quietly it operates. So don't let the name fool you. It's not just for noses. It's actually great for grooming your eyebrows. The two-sided steel blades do the job without causing any discomfort, which is quite different from tweezers. What truly sets it apart, though, is the specially designed protective guard system. This guard protects delicate skin by creating a barrier between it and the blades. Number 6 in my list is Nazqat Professional Eyebrow Trimmer. Electric trimmers may not suit everyone's preferences. Sometimes you want more control. This can be your go-to solution if you have stubborn eyebrows that need extra attention. Additionally, it includes a clear plastic travel bag to keep all your tools organized. With a complete kit, you can shape, pluck, and trim with the right tool for each task. This kit includes both a large and precision razor, as well as 2 pairs of scissors. One pair comes with a comb, which is quite handy during your grooming routine. I also appreciate that it includes tweezers. Although they can be a bit painful, they're very useful for taming unruly eyebrow hairs. Number 5 in my list is Micro Touch Titanium Max Lighted Eyebrow Trimmer. This versatile personal trimmer is great to use wherever you go. Micro Touch Titanium Max Lighted Personal Trimmer is perfect for getting rid of those unwanted or excess hairs on your face, like your nose, eyebrows, and ears, but it can also work great on your mustache or sideburns. It has an ultra-thin head and side-mounted blades, allowing it to reach small areas of your face that thicker-headed trimmers may have difficulty reaching. Additionally, using this product won't cause nicks, cuts, or irritation, even if you use it daily. Always a plus in our book. Number 4 in my list is Wahl Micro Eyebrow Trimmer. If you prefer an electric trimmer, this one is probably my favorite. It's one of the lightest models available, almost as lightweight as the Micro Touch Max. Plus, it's made by Wahl, a well-known brand in men's grooming since 1919. They call it the Groomsman, and it's named aptly because it's about the size of a pen. You can easily slip it into your travel kit, making it convenient to take with you anywhere you go. It's great for quick touch-ups along your neckline, sideburns, and beard. With self-sharpening precision and a long battery life, it's no surprise that this trimmer is recognized as an Amazon's Choice product. Number 3 in my list is Conair Man Eyebrow Trimmer. Conair's eyebrow trimmer may be small, but it's quite powerful, and it easily fits in your hand. This compact size can be quite handy when you're working around your face. What sets it apart from other trimmers on this list is that it comes with a lithium-ion battery, which is designed to have a longer lifespan. Once again, this trimmer excels at handling the rest of the hair on your head. With the inclusion of 2 guide combs, you can also tidy up your beard and sideburns. Additionally, it comes with a separate attachment for dealing with those nose hairs that need some trimming. Number 2 in my list, Micro Touch Max Eyebrow Trimmer. When it comes to the best eyebrow trimmer for men, the old saying, "you get what you pay for," holds true. This trimmer is exceptional because it caters to both beginners and more experienced individuals. It's designed with sensitive skin in mind and comes with safety features to back that claim. One of its most distinctive features is its flexible trimmer head, which can bend around your eyebrows and any blemishes. This can be a real lifesaver if you have moles or irritated acne near your brows. The blades are rounded and gentle to minimize any irritation to your skin. It even includes an eyebrow cover to protect your eyelashes while you trim. Not only does it have a long-lasting charge, offering 180 minutes of cordless shaving, but the trimmer itself is built to last. You'll likely keep it for many years to come. Number 1 in my list is Tweezerman Eyebrow Trimmer. While high-powered tools have their appeal, there's something special about Tweezerman scissors and a brush. The manual approach to trimming doesn't require batteries or charging, and it provides you with the most control, although it might take some practice to master. These scissors were specifically crafted for pinpoint precision, and Tweezerman, with a successful track record spanning 40 years, is a testament to their quality. Manufactured in Italy with an ergonomic design, they feature a compact body that's easy to maneuver around your face and comfortable finger loops for precise control. Plus, they're exceptionally sharp, ensuring a clean trim without any tugging or pulling. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.